Hello, amazing Plunder stylists. My name is Rhiannon with Plunder Corporate, and today I am here to talk to you on how to run your Power Start report within your back office. So first, you're going to go ahead and begin by logging into your back office, and you should see the screen similar to mine, if not the same. And then you'll notice these different tabs up here. You want to actually hover over to Reports and click it, and it should turn pink. And then you would like to come over here where you have this drop-down menu, and you'll click this little arrow, and you'll see your Power Start team report. These are all of the people on your team. So now we do have some additional videos and written documents on Power Start, and you should have received an at-a-glance in your starter kit. There's also information on the Power Start Guide and the Plunderpedia that comes along with your starter kit. So there's additional information in there if you're more of a visual and you would like to see what is in there visually. But I will go ahead and explain it to you. So you have your first 40 days, and then you have days 41 through 70 and days 71 through 100. So in order to achieve your first 40 days, you want to have $500 in personal sales. If you achieve this, you earn $50 in jewelry and $25 in sales tools. Days 41 through 70, if you achieve $750 in personal sales, you will earn $100 in jewelry and $50 in sales tools. And then days 71 through 100, if you achieve $1,000 in personal sales, you will earn a whopping $150 in jewelry and $75 in sales tools. How amazing is that? There are some additional pieces to our Power Start program, such as the Bring a Friend. If you sponsor an eligible stylist in your first 40 days, you can earn an additional $100 cash bonus and additional jewelry. And you can also look at earning the Super Power Start, which is $3,000 in personal sales, 3 eligible stylists, and that will get you $100 cash bonus and $100 in jewelry and an exclusive necklace that we call the Hillary necklace that is absolutely adorable. I love it. I own one myself. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dig into this report. So you can go ahead and you can filter any one of these columns that you want. So if you want to go ahead and look at, let's see, the entry date. Let's go ahead and click entry date right here. And you can go all the way back and see those that started the Power Start. We went ahead and launched this program April 30th of 2018. So that is the earliest back that these reports will go for the Power Start report. So if you want to go see from the very beginning of the program who hit, to be able to congratulate or just see who was on track, or maybe just go back and reminisce, you can click there. Or you can also click this again, because these auto-populate by dates depending on what column. They can go by date, they can go by volume, and such. So we'll go ahead and we'll use this one as an example right here. So we have this person right here joined on 8/13 of 2018. So she is brand new. Welcome to the Plunder family, Bethany. We are so happy to have you. So because she literally just joined, she doesn't have any volume in yet. She probably doesn't even have her kit, but she's probably ready to get going. So we would want to see, in order for her to hit her first 40 days, we would want to see $500 in personal sales right here. And next to this column, the date of 9/22, that's the length or the amount of time that she has to achieve that $500 in sales. In order for her to hit days 41 through 70, she would want to have $750 of volume or personal sales right here, and she has until October 22nd to hit that. And then lastly, in order for her to achieve the days 71 through 100, she would want to have 1,000 in personal sales here by November 21st. You can go down the list and you can look at every person. So we can see right here that this person hit their day 1 through 40 volume. because it's not August 20th yet, and she already has the $500 needed in personal sales to achieve that first 40 days. She has until September 19th to hit $750 in sales, and she's well on her way with $158. Then she will have until October 19th to hit the $1,000 in personal sales right here. So you can go down these columns and you can see who has achieved and who has hit. If you don't want to go by entry date, you can go by volume. Sometimes you need to hit these columns twice because they usually populate from lowest to highest first, and then by clicking it again, you'll get from highest to lowest. Notice that all of these reports can be run from your back office themselves, or you can export them to Excel if you like to go ahead and hang on to a copy by clicking your folders tab over here, and you can sort. You could remove some of these columns or hide them if you don't want to see them and only look at the ones that you really want to look at. So we can see right here all of those that hit their day 1 through 40 volume by going and looking at the highest to lowest volume on the days 1 through 40. We could go ahead and look at that same volume to see who hit days 41 through 70 by clicking the day 41 through 70 tab. Let me click it again because it went from lowest to highest first. And we can see that Shannon earned her day 41 through 70 volume. So good deal. So like I said, these reports aren't as hard as they sound. Just by playing around, getting to know them, and getting comfortable with them, you will feel better at running these types of reports. And at any time, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your sponsor, your leader, or our Plunder customer service. We are always here to help you and answer any additional questions that you may have. Make sure as a leader or somebody who is building a team that you're reaching out to your downline and your teammates and finding out what it is that interests them about this business. What is their why? What are their goals? By helping them understand, or by helping them in understanding what their goals are, you can help them better achieve those goals. So if you have somebody that comes aboard and joins the Plunder family and says, hey, I want to be a business builder, I want to grow really fast and build to the top, first thing you'll want to do is help them go ahead and earn the Power Start report. The behaviors that the Power Start report creates by adding the sales and then by recruiting for the Super Power Start bonus are all the behaviors that we put into place to help you build fast, to go ahead and have leadership within your sites within a short amount of time. As long as you're working the program, you can achieve this fairly quickly with the help of your sponsor and your leader. So make sure you get to know this business is relationship building. So build relationships with your team if you're recruiting. Reach out to them, find out what they want, and help them reach their goals so they can be successful within their businesses as well as your business. Thank you very much.